Hey guys, it's Kay. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this hair from Ashimary Hair, and I'm so excited to show you guys what's inside. So let's unbox. The first thing that's in there is obviously the hair. It is 28 inches of this Brazilian straight. It's streaky, it's honey blonde, and girl, it is just beautiful. Okay, and I'll show you that later, but they also gave me a pair of lashes. These are really nice and dramatic, and also an elastic band, which is nice if the wig is big. And also they gave me this cute little hair clip, and yeah, you just have that satin bag which you can use to store your wig. And the wig was very nicely packaged, prepped up for me. It looked very nice and it was very secure. But yeah, this is the hair. So as you can see, it's like a blonde streaky moment, and I love the fact that companies are starting to make these for us. You used to have to like risk it and bleach your hair, girl. But yeah, this is how the wig looks inside. There's just a closure in there, there's clips on the side, and there are adjustable straps at the bottom of the wig. And yeah, the tracks are done very nicely. All I'm really gonna do just to prep this hair is literally cut off the excess lace. That is all I have to do, and yeah, that's basically it. The lace looked a bit tinted, it wasn't too light, so all I really have to do is pop this bad boy onto my head, which is literally the easiest thing. So all I'm really gonna do is line this hair onto my hairline and just make sure that the lace looks and lays nice and flat. So yeah, this is a closure. So girl, this is all I needed to do. No glue, no nothing. It was so easy, and as you can see, like, this color looks fantastic on my skin tone. I just want to show you how it looks and how long the hair is on me. So yeah, this is kind of where it goes down to, and all I'm really going to do just to prep this hair, just because it's got kinks and coils from being in the packaging, I'm just going to straighten the hair. That is all I'm going to do. So yeah guys, as you can see, that is all you need to do for this hair, and I love the fact that it's so nice and convenient. You don't have to do too much, and yeah, like, I feel like this is the perfect wig for anybody, especially because it's just such a beautiful color and the quality is amazing. Minimal shedding because there isn't a lot of lace to deal with, and it's nice and long. It's the perfect wig, honestly. And I know that this color is very trendy, so if you want to pick this up for yourself, then girl, don't hesitate. Go into my description box, I'll have the link for you. And shout out to Ashimary Hair, because this is beautiful. I love it, I love it, I love it. I even wore this hair to an event. So yeah, if you want this hair, go into my description box and shop Ashimary Hair. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, tell me what you think about this hair in the comment section down below. But yeah, that's it from me guys. I'll see you in my next video.